So again, here I am going to start because many other students are connected just now. So I'll have to explain to them also. So if I write, today we are going to study about objects. Okay. So what is the subject if I write the sentence, Meera made a card. So who is the person is the sentence who does something? इसमें ऐसा कौन सा person है जो कुछ कर रहा है?
मैम मीरा।
Meera.
Meera.
So Meera is subject. Okay, and all physical actions are called verb. So what is verb in the sentence?
Made.
Made is a verb because made means make, banana, and made is the past form of the make. Made, banaya. Clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So Meera
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Meera subject, made verb. Now tell me what has she made? उसने क्या बनाया? क्या बनाया?
Card.
उसने बनाया card.
A card.
So what is object here?
Card.
Card. So card is an object here. Okay? Object is okay, the sentence object is that is affected by an action of the verb. Object sentence का वो पार्ट होता है, वो नाउन प्रोनाउन होता है जो वर्ब के एक्शन को रिसीव करता है. क्लियर?
यस मैम।
ओके,
Yes.
जिसपे एक्शन का कोई प्रभाव पड़ता है, दैट गेट अफेक्टेड बाय द एक्शन ऑफ वर्ब. वर्ब के एक्शंस को जो अफेक्टेड वर्ब एक्शन, वर्ब के एक्शन जिसको अफेक्टेड करते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑब्जेक्ट. क्लियर? ऑब्जेक्ट. लाइक मीरा सब्जेक्ट, मीरा ने क्या एक्शन किया? मेड, बनाया. किसको बनाया? क्या बनाया? कार्ड. Card will be object here. There are two kinds of objects: direct and indirect object.
इनडायरेक्ट।
Okay, but simply यहाँ पर wait. Again, somebody's parents started making noise.
मैम किसी की आवाज आ रही थी.
बहुत ज्यादा शोर हो रहा है. Okay, if I teach you in simple हिंदी, तो हमारे काम से जो भी नाउन सीधा सीधा इफेक्ट होता है, ठीक है, हमारे किए गए एक्शन का जिसपे सीधा सीधा प्रभाव पड़ता है उसको हम कहते हैं डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, देयर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट. ओके, so
Yes, ma'am.
डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट ऑलवेज आंसर्स अ क्वेश्चन. कौन से क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिलता है हमको डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में? वर्ब प्लस व्हाट. ठीक है, वर्ब हमने किया. ओके, वी हैव डन वर्ब, हमने कोई एक्शन किया, पर वो एक्शन किस पे किया? व्हाट. इस व्हाट के यहाँ पर ओके, व्हाटएवर नाउन इज देयर इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस व्हाट, लाइक वर्ब हमने क्या किया? बनाया. क्या बनाया?
कार्ड।
कार्ड.
Card.
So card will be direct object. Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
whatever action of verb gives effect on the thing, that thing is called direct object. Verb के action का जिस चीज पे effect पड़ता है, प्रभाव पड़ता है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं?
डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट।
Direct object.
Object.
Okay, let me tell you with the help of other examples. If I write my mother baked a cake. Okay, so what is subject in this sentence?
My mother.
My mother. Because subject, what is subject? the person who does the thing, who does something in the sentence, okay, या who is being talked in the sentence. जिस भी noun या pronoun के बारे में हम पूरे sentence में बात कर रहे हैं वो क्या होता है, subject होता है.
Subject.
Okay, so my mother is subject here. Clear? And what action she has done?
Baked.
So baked is here verb. अब इस verb का किस पे प्रभाव पड़ा, क्या बनाया उन्होंने? Cake. So what is cake here?
Direct.
Direct object. Clear? Are you all clear about it?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, so now we'll go ahead with the exercise. Okay? So remember one thing, object is a noun that is affected by the action of verb. Okay? जिस पे verb का प्रभाव पड़ता है उसको हम direct object कहते हैं. Okay? Direct object always answers the question verb plus verb मतलब किया गया, what means क्या किया गया. जैसे मैंने खाना खाया, I ate food. I subject, ate verb, but क्या खाया मैंने? Food. So food will be direct object. I drink milk every day. मैं रोज दूध पीती हूँ. I subject, drink. What is drink? Verb. क्योंकि मैं पीती हूँ. All physical action are called verb. So I drink, पीती हूँ. क्या पीती हूँ? What?
Milk.
So milk will be direct object.
Direct object.
Okay, is it clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so exercise 3. Mary gave a pen to Max. We have to underline the verb and write the direct object. इसमें हमको क्या देखना है? दोनों चीज. We have to find out both of the things. Verb along with direct object. Clear? So Mary gave a pen to Max. In first number, Mary gave a pen to Max. Okay. Now tell me, who is Mary in this sentence?
Subject.
What action she is doing? What action she has done in the sentence?
Gave, ma'am.
Okay. So gave will be verb here.
Verb.
And what has she given? उसने क्या दिया है?
Pen.
So what is pen here?
Direct object.
And is direct object. Clear? And in second number, the cook made some soup. The cook made some. Now tell me, somebody's parents are making too much noise, so please ask them to be quiet. Otherwise, I'll put you out of the class. It is making me very disturbed. The cook made some soup. Who is subject in the sentence? Cook is subject. What is action? Made. So made is verb.
Made is verb.
Okay. And what did they make? उन्होंने क्या बनाया? Soup will be direct object. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In third number, she book. She read the book. What is action here?
Read.
Read.
Read verb. What does she read?
Book.
Book.
So what is book here?
Direct.
Direct book. Object.
Okay. So here it is direct object.
मैम किसी के यहाँ से बहुत शोर।
Children, listen to me. Whenever you want to study sincerely, please sit in a solitary room. कहीं अकेले रूम में जाकर आप लोग बैठा करिए. Otherwise, ask your parents to be quiet. They should understand. Now, fourth number, the tailor stitched a suit. So, in fourth number, the tailor stitched a suit. Tailor ने एक सूट सिला. Okay, या सिला था. Then whose tailor is in sentence?
Subject.
What is verb here? Stitched.
And sweet is a direct object.
And what is direct object?
Sweet.
सूट. Because उसने सिला तो क्या सिला? सूट सिला. Okay, so suit will be direct object. क्योंकि उसकी सिलाई का असर किस पे पड़ा? सूट पे पड़ा. उसने सिला, सूट सिला. Okay?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
stitch will be verb here and suit will be direct object. Then 5 number, Remy bought some chocolate. Who is Remy? Subject. What action? What is action word here? Bought. Bought is listen to me. Buy means खरीदना. Okay, buy means खरीदना या purchase करना, and bought is the past form of buy. Okay,
Buy.
so here verb is what?
Bought.
Bought.
And chocolates are a direct object.
And chocolates are
Direct object.
chocolates are
Direct object.
direct
Yes.
object.
Slowly कहा.
Ira wrote a novel.
Ira is subject. Wrote is verb and novel is a
Yes.
object.
Wrote is verb. Okay, and what did she write?
Novel
She
is
wrote a novel. So novel will be direct object. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all able to understand whatever I am teaching it to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, listen one thing. Whatever is there in your book or whatever we are teaching it to you, just be careful for this, because these all are the very important chapters of your grammar portion. Okay? If you don't read it thoroughly, you won't be able to do the exercises of the English. So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Study sincerely,
Yes, ma'am.
listen carefully everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to the topic, transitive and intransitive verb. These both are the kinds of verb. Clear? I think I taught you in class 4 also, transitive and intransitive. Okay? So I think you all must, I hope, even I believe you all must have forgotten this. सबको भूल गया होगा, है ना? You are just sitting at home and playing. Don't remember. Transitive and intransitive. Okay, so let me tell you with the help of examples.
मैम ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, इंट्रांजिटिव में नहीं होता.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The lady, wait. the lady drives a car. Okay, who is subject here?
Lady.
The lady is subject. What is verb here?
Drive.
Drive is verb. Okay, and what is a noun or object? यहाँ पे ऐसा कौन सा noun है who is working as object?
कार
Car. So what is verb here? Verb is drive. ठीक है, drive क्या है?
वर्ब
वर्ब. ओके, जो भी ऐसा वर्ब हो जो एक्शन को किससे जाके जोड़े?
Object.
ऑब्जेक्ट से. ओके, द वर्ब दैट कनेक्ट एन एक्शन टू द वर्ब. जो एक्शन को कहाँ तक पहुंचाए? ऑब्जेक्ट तक. ऑब्जेक्ट तक.
ऑब्जेक्ट तक
That verb is called transitive. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Transitive. Transitive. Okay. So whenever you see an object next to the verb that is getting connected with the action of verb is called transitive verb. Okay. Transitive sentence. Listen, in simple language you can understand. यहाँ से वहां तक पहुंचाना. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
सब्जेक्ट को वर्ब तक, ऑब्जेक्ट तक पहुंचाने का काम जो वर्ब करता है, दैट वर्ब इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिटिव. मतलब
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, उसने सब्जेक्ट को कहाँ तक पहुंचाया? ऑब्जेक्ट से जोड़ा. द लेडी ड्राइव्स अ कार. लेडी सब्जेक्ट. व्हाट इज शी ड्राइविंग? अ कार. किससे पता चला? ड्राइव से. लेडी कार के साथ क्या कर रही है हमको कैसे पता चला?
ड्राइव से
कि that she is driving the car. So drive will be transitive. Clear? आ गया transitive सबको समझ में? If you have any kind of query, you can ask, raise your hands and ask. And if you are clear with it, I'll go ahead. Okay? But instead of this, if I write the lady drive well. Well means क्या होता है? अच्छे से. Well means
अच्छे से.
Okay. So again the lady is subject here. Okay. Drive is verb here. Okay. But well is not an object here. Well यहाँ पर कोई भी object नहीं है. Because what is an object? An object is a noun. और pronoun. ठीक है? Well कोई noun नहीं है. Well is not any noun. It is adverb. Adverb है ये. Adverb क्या होते हैं? The word that tells us the quality of verb. That describes more about verb. जैसे verb क्या है? Verb is here drive. ठीक है? पर वो कैसा चलाती है? अच्छा चलाती है. ओके? वो कैसी गाड़ी चलाती है? अच्छी चलाती है.
गाड़ी चलाती है.
वेल का मतलब क्या होता है कि वो अच्छा चलाती. चलाने के बारे में किसने एक्सप्लेन किया? वेल वर्ड ने. तो वेल विल बी एडवर्ब हियर. ओके.
एडवर्ब.
द वर्ड दैट टेल्स अस द क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्ब और डिस्क्राइब्स मोर अबाउट वर्ब. जो हमको वर्ब के बारे में ज्यादा बताते हैं उनको हम सबको क्या बोलते हैं? एडवर्ब. ओके. हियर इट इज नॉट एन ऑब्जेक्ट. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट तो व्हाट होता है. व्हाट मतलब क्या? हियर वो क्या नहीं है, कैसे चलाती है ये दिया हुआ है. तो इट इज हियर एडवर्ब. सो ये कौन सा वर्ब हुआ? ट्रांजिटिव के इनट्रांजिटिव? इनट्रांजिटिव. ये हुआ इनट्रांजिटिव. Here it is an intransitive verb because it does not connect any action with the object. Okay? We cannot see any object here. We are seeing an adverb here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
तो जब हम एक्शन को कोई ऐसा एक्शन वर्ब जो सब्जेक्ट को ऑब्जेक्ट से कनेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंट्रांजिटिव. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's go ahead with the exercise. In simple language, you can understand a transitive verb takes an object. जो ट्रांजिटिव वर्ड होता है वो एक ऑब्जेक्ट अपने साथ लेता है. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? And intransitive verb do not take any object.
Child cried.
So in first number, the child cried.
Intransitive. Intransitive.
The child cried. Okay? Child is subject here. Clear? Action verb.
Yes, ma'am.
Action verb here. Cried.
Cried. Cried.
Child is
Cried.
verb. But we don't see any object next to it. Okay? So what is it?
Intransitive.
Intransitive. Clear? In second number, the window break. खिड़की टूट गई थी.
Intransitive.
Intransitive. Intransitive. The window broke. खिड़की टूट गई थी. Again, you don't see any object here. Okay? Then in third number, the lady brought flowers.
Transitive. Transitive.
Transitive.
Yes. What is transitive verb here?
Ma'am, flowers.
Flower.
Oh,
बहुत मारूंगी सबको. जब आओगे ना स्कूल तब पिटाई करूंगी अगर ऐसे पढ़ोगे नहीं. You all have to do seriously. Okay? The lady brought flowers. Brought is the past form of bring. Clear?
yes.
So brought will be brought will be verb here. Is it brought or bought? What? Bought, sorry. Bought is verb here. Okay, which kind of verb? Transitive. Okay, so brought, and what is direct object?
Flowers.
Flower. ये verb क्या है? Transitive. Flower से direct object. Clear? Because in instruction it is given T for transitive, I for intransitive. Circle the object of transitive words. Direct object को circle करना है. Clear? So what is direct object? Flower. In fourth number, the sun rises in the east. Simply it is an action. It is his habit. We don't see any object here. Okay? East
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not an object. So it is intransitive. Fourth number, intransitive.
Love.
Then in fifth number, the old man coughed loudly. बूढ़ा जो आदमी था उसने बहुत जोर जोर से खांसा. The old man coughed loudly. Old man subject. What is coughed?
Ma'am, verb.
Verb. Loudly, जोर से. कैसा खांसा? So what is loudly? What is loudly?
Ma'am,
Adjective.
I'm direct object.
Adverb. Loudly is adverb because it is telling us that how did the old man cough. बूढ़े आदमी ने कैसा खांसा? जोर से खांसा. So loudly is adverb here and the verb is intransitive. Intransitive. In sixth number, my brother broke a window. मेरे भाई ने एक खिड़की तोड़ दी थी. Broke is what is broke here?
verb.
Verb. And what did he break? उसने क्या तोड़ दिया था?
Window. Direct object, window.
So window will be
Direct object.
direct object. So and the verb broke is transitive or intransitive? What?
Ma'am, transitive.
Transitive. The seven number, the plumber repaired the tap.
Ma'am, transitive.
Transitive.
Ma'am, transitive.
It is not transitive. It is transitive. Transitive.
Yes, ma'am.
Word repaired is word. उसने क्या बनाया?
Tap.
Tap. So what are taps? Direct object. And the repaired word is
Transitive.
Verb. No, ma'am, transitive.
transitive. We need to write T for transitive. In 8 number, she lifted the curtain by herself. उसने खुद से ही कर्टन उठा लिया था.
Transitive.
Intransitive. Intransitive.
I'll put a tight flag. Intransitive.
Transitive.
Lifted. Lifted is was.
Verb.
उसने क्या उठाया?
Curtain.
Curtain.
आपकी आवाज
Now it is your class is going to be finished in 2 seconds only. Curtain is an object here. Okay, so if we see any kind of object next to the verb is transitive here.
Transitive. Okay.
Because उसने क्या उठाया? Curtain उठाया. So whenever we get the answer of question what, it is an object and the verb is transitive. Okay? And if you see any preposition or adverb next to the verb, that is intransitive.
Intransitive.
Clear? Okay, now do you study at your home. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.